welcome back to another lesson of Imagination AI. This is just a really quick quickie. So this is just to show you how to bulk download what's in your archives. So naturally you would go to midjourney.com, log in, you're going to click home, or it will take you naturally to your home page. You're going to click this button. This is your selector. Click archives. It's going to show you your archives from your days. And this shows me what I made today versus if you'll scroll down to yesterday, the day before, yada yada yada. So you're just going to want to click these little plus symbols. So if I want to download everything from today, click select, open downloader. It will download everything from today. You click download all and it pops into your downloader. Once it gets done, depending upon your browser and your Wi-Fi speed, on the time that it takes for you to download it to your computer. Once you download it to your computer, then you can bulk tube it or tube it into whatever program that you use. I use PhotoRoom a lot. I do use a bulk downloader. For the first process of it, it does not always get the backgrounds free and clear. I have to go back in and touch a lot of things up, but it does process 150 images at a time. So if you go into PhotoRoom and you have to have a paid membership to do this, you will pop everything in and then you'll go back through and you'll select the template for transparent, and then it will resubmit everything back through. And like I said, it's not a perfect process. None of the background removals that I have found are perfect. None of them. But once you get it done, you pop it through the first time, let it do its thing, and then you will pick the template for transparent. Once it gets all the way down to the bottom, which I accidentally popped in a couple of the little 4 images, as you can see, but it won't take it but a couple seconds to get down in there to finish those last few. And you see I just kind of was popping through a bunch of assorted different images through Midjourney today. So once it's all the way done, download your images, boom, you're done. And you'll go through your album and pick out what's clear and concise, and then pop through, like say, I'll take these and I'll open them in Adobe Photoshop and fine tune the tubing. Take and tube any excess that it didn't catch. And some of them, it really messes up the tubing. Like if you have got a lot of white in the background, it won't tube it correctly. So you've got to go back through, and fix it. Or sometimes you just scratch it altogether. Sometimes it's better to tube it from hand. There are just different options. But mainly this was to show you how to bulk download, but you got 2 lessons in one, bulk downloading and bulk tubing. So hopefully this has helped you. If so, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, happy AIing.